Question for Martin and Curt. Why is Martin more compromising, intolerant than Curt?
If you were to psychologize, you could talk about me being lower class and not having well to remove myself from the consequences of the decline of our civilization. You could also say there's some consciousness of communism from the previous regime, so I was born just after its collapse. You could also say I'm Czech, that is a perfect mix of German and Slavic traits. But I'd ultimately like to think I'm just willing to take Kurt's work along with other dissident right insights and take them to their actual final conclusions.
Yeah, I would say I mostly agree with Martin, but my job is to not, my job is to provide the counterpoint. Just as when I'm positive, Martin provides the counterpoint. We both know we're doing this, right? It's not an unconscious dance on our part, and it benefits the audience. Martin's right.
It benefits us too.
Right, it benefits. I mean, I tease Martin a lot where he's like, Martin, you're gonna let me get away with this, or why didn't you let me get away with this? I mean, so Martin's always drilling down on the hard questions, but it's actually I experience it as fun, don't you, Martin? Do you find it fun? I mean, I find it fun.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, uh, if you ask me in private, well, Martin's right. But if you ask me in public, I've got to do my side of the job, right? Because Martin is more so. And the second thing is, it's not only class difference; it's a generation difference. You all have all made me very conscious of my generation's optimism, and I still hold on to it dearly. Despite all the contrary evidence. So I think those things are there. Part of my positioning is that I have Martin tends to work with Telegram, and I tend to work with Twitter more. So I have to be more judicious, and Martin is more injudicious.
Martin is more suspended.
What?
Martin is more suspended from Twitter.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah.
So that's really it. So it's the only time Martin and I actually disagree on something, you'll find it's because we're disagreeing over the meaning of a word and which way to use it, so that we have the least confusion, right? And that's really what you find. It's like that. The rest of the time it's like, yeah, you're right, Martin. Okay, or whatever. So,
I would like to point out that this is an expression of disagreeableness, that disagreeing is actually fun.
Disagreeing is actually fun, yes. Yeah. I think that's it.
It's like you guys are doing code reviews.
What?
It's like you're doing code review.
Exactly like code review. Yep. Well, I mean, you should. I mean, it depends on what we're doing, right? So Martin and I working through lying in particular, which Martin understands very, very well. I mean, he's just pouring this stuff out, and and I want to be optimistic, and so I think the only thing that I notice as I go through, and I have a certain way I like to present information incrementally, and so I do a lot of synthesis. But if you want to test whether something's got a hole in it or not, Martin will find it, which I suffer daily. All right, so we've been on for our 2 hours now.
Yeah.
All right, so we answered how many of our questions?
Doing really good. Well, 12.
13?
Because we skipped
12.
We skipped one.
Oh, 12.
All right, so we can get a few more for next time. All right. Well, anybody have anything to add? Gabriel, did you have fun?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Martin?
Yes.
Yes, Francis?
I could disagree on a few things here, so I had fun.
All right. This is September 9th, Saturday, September 9th, Q&A office hours. If you want to see our, you want to add a question, it's, where is it? Where's the
I
question?
so
It's in the description.
yeah, in the description of the doc, and I also when I after this meeting, when I populate the placeholder for the next one, it's in the description of the YouTube live stream as well.
Okay. All right, and so please submit questions if you have any. I'm trying to think of how I feel today. I'm kind of under the weather today, but I thought we did pretty good. We didn't have Luke to pick on or interject, or but we had also we didn't have.
Luke said that this is always going
Saturday
to be
morning is
bad
always a
time
bad
for
time
him.
for him.
Right, and then Noah is not here.
Noah's got
And-
clients.
Noah's got clients. So, or anyway, I had a great time. I felt like I talked too much though. All right, so we'll upload this and have fun. Bye bye.
Yeah.
See you in 2 weeks.
Bye.